Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about percentage problems. Before we start, you'll want to have reviewed the slides Intro to Percentage and Fraction Multiplication. Finding the percentage. A percentage can be easily converted to a fraction or a decimal because it's simply another way of expressing a proportion or part of a whole. Therefore, when asked to find the percentage of a given number, you're just looking for the same proportion of that number. To find the percentage of a number, first convert the given percentage to a fraction by removing the percent sign and putting it over 100. Then multiply the given number by this fraction. Thirdly, apply the appropriate units if necessary. Let's look at an example. In this example, they ask, what is 15% of $60? Convert 15% into its fraction form. But to do this, remove the percent sign and then put 15 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. Then multiply the given number, $60, by the fraction you got before, 15 over 100. You can cancel out the zeros in 60 and in 100, so it becomes 6 times 15 over 10. So 6 times 15 over 10. Now we can solve by multiplying 6 by 15 to get 90, so that you get 90 over 10. And we know that 90 divided by 10 equals 9. So the answer is $9 after you add the appropriate unit, dollars. Let's look at percentage word problems. A word problem involves applying the concept of percentages. You may be asked to do so. This will require you to understand what is being asked and which methods are applicable in the problem. This may range from finding the percentage of a given number or finding the percent values in a given group of objects. Let's look at an example word problem. In this example, they ask, if 36% of class A likes bananas and the rest of the class likes mangoes, what percent of the class likes mangoes? We know that part of the class likes bananas and the other part likes mangoes. So it is asking for the percent of the other part of the class, or the rest of the class. We know that 100% means the entire class, and 36% is the part of the class that likes mangoes. So the other part of the class is the other part of the 100%. You can find this percent by subtracting 36 from 100. When you subtract, you get 64%. So the answer is 64% of the class likes mangoes. What percentage of the animals in the Venn diagram can live both on land and in water? This is a question that appeared on the NGSA exam 2020. They are asking for the percentage of animals in the intersection of the Venn diagram, which is this part. So now you can pause this video to try and solve. Let's look at the solution. We need to first count the number of animals in the intersection. 1, 2, 3. There are 3. Then we count the total number of animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 animals. To find the percentage, we need to first write out the proportion. By writing out the proportion, we can see that 3 out of 15 total animals can be both on land and in water. We can then simplify 3 over 15 into 1 over 5 by dividing the top and the bottom by 3. To convert this fraction into a percentage, we divide 1 by 5 to get 0.2. Then multiply 0.2 by 100 to get the percentage 20%. Since 20% is answer choice C, so answer choice C is correct. The cost of a cell phone was reduced from $12 $12,000 to $9,600. What was the percent decrease in the price of the cell phone? This question came from the NGSA exam 2013. They're asking for the percent change in the price. Now pause this video to try and solve this question. Let's look at the solution. To find percent change, we use the equation difference in price over original price times 100. They tell us that the price decreased from $12,000 to $9,600. So we can find the difference in price by subtraction. $12,000 minus $9,600 equals $2,400. We can then plug in the difference in price into the equation as well as the original price. $12,000 into the equation. So difference in price goes on top and original price, $12,000, goes in the bottom. We can simplify the fraction by eliminating the same number of zeros on the top and the bottom of the fraction. So you eliminate 0 and 2 zeros, which gives you 24 over 120. Then you divide 24 by 120 to get 0.2. You multiply 0.2 by 100% to get 20%. So if we look back, answer choice C is correct. Thank you.